Augustine Byaruhanga and his wife Chantal Mukagatare have spent the better part of the 16 years they've been married in conflict. They both regret their actions that made them experience a lot of loss.
When
we managed to resolve our conflicts, we started to discuss everything together. If I had earned money, I would disclose it, and we planned for it. If we had sold our livestock, we would plan that money together.
During the time when we were having conflict, we lost a lot of things. We had one house, but after we were able to resolve our conflicts, we were able to build other houses. We bought more cows, and we've renewed our lives. During a meeting that was organized by the National Forum Against Domestic Violence, Professor Vincent Sezibera of the Rwanda Psychology Society explains what can be done to address these challenges.
We need to continue creating awareness about the law, to learn more about how culture can be an obstacle, but mostly we would like to see how people that are victims of gender-based violence can be rehabilitated emotionally from traumas they have gone through.
In Rwanda, 65% of women and 39% of men believe that a man has a right to beat his wife when she burns the food, when she talks back to the husband, when she goes somewhere without the husband's knowledge, not caring for their children, and her checking their phone. 23% of women are victims of gender-based violence, while 6% of men are victims of gender-based violence. 46% of ever-married women and 18% of ever-married men have experienced spousal, physical, sexual, or emotional violence. Women and men who have more than a secondary education, 19% and 6% respectively, are less likely than women and men who have no education, 54% and 24% respectively, to have experienced spousal, physical, sexual, or emotional violence. Health Minister Dr. Daniel Ngamije says that education for the girl child can prevent a lot of these challenges.
It is evident the difference between people that have gone to school and those that haven't. It protects them from a lot, and even the levels of education matter. For instance, a girl who stays in school will focus on that and prevent them from getting married at an early age. And this gives them awareness about how they can avoid domestic violence.
Statistics from the National Institute of Statistics for 2019 show that court approved 8,941 divorces due to violence between spouses. The effects of gender-based violence include the increase in street children, drug use, trafficking, prostitution, begging, smuggling, and more.